Yes, once again, Morad Fiki with the hottest homes in Houston, Texas, and I'm so excited to present 7 Gessner to you. Come, let's check it out. This absolutely fabulous home has been fully renovated down to the studs, but the best part about it is the incredible view from outside. Let's check it out. Wow, look at this amazing view of the bayou. It's so calm, peaceful, and relaxing. And you can just enjoy a great book out here or some great barbecue, just like we do it in Texas.